In this quick guide, a lone traveler demonstrates how to improvise a durable wound dressing using clean cloth, pine resin, and native plants to seal a cut. First, they remove debris, apply pressure, and construct a clean pad from fabric. They reinforce the pad with bark strips and a resin seal to keep moisture out, then secure with a snug tourniquet-free wrap. The emphasis is on speed, sterility, and comfort, ensuring the route can continue safely. Viewers leave confident they can handle minor injuries anywhere with basic, trustworthy field techniques.